Hi everyone, I am stegy majo. Welcome to SchoolQuizz.com. Today we continuing on the chapter Physical and Chemical Changes. How we can study this chapter in a simple method. We can use a flow chart of this chapter. This help you study this chapter very easily. In this chapter we studied about the changes. So changes broadly divided into physical and chemical. In physical changes, there is no new products are formed. In chemical change, there is new substance are formed. In chemical process, there is changes the chemical properties as well as the physical properties. In physical change, there is only changes in the physical properties of the substances. Next, we are going to study about the examples of physical changes. Examples are melting of ice, evaporation of water, cutting of paper and crystallization. In detail, we study about the crystallization. What is crystallization? Crystallization is a process of forming pure crystals from a salt solution is known as crystallization. Next, the examples of chemical change, that is fireworks, burning paper, rusting. In the case of chemical change, we studied about the example rusting in detail. As we know that the iron particles rust when it contact with atmosphere. In rusting, the atmospheric water and oxygen is essential. The brownish color is known as rust. The process is known as rusting. To prevent rusting, we use painting. That means the iron particles are painted and to prevent the contact with atmospheric oxygen and water. The next method we use, that is galvanization. It is the method to deposit some metals like zinc or chromium on iron particles to prevent the contact with atmospheric oxygen and water. The method is known as galvanization. Through this flowchart, we can easily study the whole chapter. Next, we discussing about some questions, important questions in this chapter. That is, first question is that in burning of candle, what are the changes occurs? Here, when a candle is burned, the solid wax melt to liquid. Solid wax to liquid wax. Next change is that liquid wax to vapor. The third change is that burning of wax. These three type of changes occurs when candles burn. The first two changes are change in the state, that is solid to liquid and liquid to vapor. So we can say that the first two changes, that is physical change. The third one is chemical change. So, in burning of candle, the physical change and chemical change take place. The second question, that is that what is the changes occurs when we use LPG? In cylinder, the LPG stored as liquid. In cylinder, the LPG stored as liquid. Out from the cylinder, it is a gas. And the LPG, the next step is burning of LPG. The first change is liquid to gas. That is a physical change, change in physical property. That is so we can say that it is a physical change. Burning is a chemical change. And also in the case of LPG, the physical change and chemical change take place. The third question is that anaerobic bacteria digest food to form biogas. Then the biogas burn. What are the changes take place here? That is physical or chemical change. First we say that the food converted to biogas. Next, burning of biogas. The food products, waste food products converted the bacteria to biogas. Here a new product biogas is formed. So we can say that in chemical change there is new substance are formed. So it is a chemical change. Also we know that burning of something is a chemical change. So we can say that in the case of anaerobic bacteria, that the waste food converted into biogas and burning of biogas. These two changes is chemical change. Okay. The fourth question is that in coastal areas, the rusting take place faster. Why? In coastal area, the amount of water in atmosphere, that is humidity, is higher in atmosphere. So, the rusting take place faster. So, we can say that the rusting take place faster in coastal area than desert. When increase the humidity in atmosphere, increases the possibility to contact with the ion particle to atmospheric water. So, rusting take place faster. So, we can say that rusting faster in coastal area. Okay. Thank you.